Welcome to GoVMlab, India's first job-ready VMware learning platform where professionals meet experts to revolutionize their VMware careers.
Hello everyone, welcome to GoVMlab VMware vSphere troubleshooting lecture series. In this lecture number 63, we are going to talk about one of the very specific scenario where you have done the ESXi installation successfully. ESXi also comes up, but then we see a error saying no data store configured on ESXi host. Now, this kind of issue will not be observed in the production environment because of the amount of storage being allocated to our ESXi host. But you can encounter this particular scenario very frequently while setting up your own home lab environment because of the space constraint. So now in this particular scenario, we'll understand the reason behind it, why ESXi gives a error message saying that no data store configured, what are the probable reasons behind it, and what steps should be taken to fix this particular issue. With that, let's get started. Now, this is the screenshot which you could see that this is our ESXi host, ESX-05E. Now, as you could see that our ESXi installation is successfully done and the version what we have installed is 8.0 U2. But the error message, what do we see that here is no data store have been configured on the host. And as we all know, data store is one of the crucial aspect of your ESXi infrastructure, which means no data store means no VM creation, no ISO upload, and no lab setup. And that is where this issue becomes a very critical issue while setting up our own home lab environment. We'll discuss about why this happens. Why do we see this particular error message coming from the ESXi host saying that no data store configured? What ESXi host is expecting from us to resolve this issue? And then in the subsequent lecture, we'll see that how do we fix this issue by step procedure. Now, before we go and get much deeper into this particular error scenario, let me walk you through our ESXi host and let's see that where do we see this particular error. So as you could see that I'm logged into our ESXi host. Now this particular ESXi host is our base ESXi host. Now in this base ESXi host, we are trying to install ESXi as a VM. As you all know that VMware support nested hypervisor, and nested hypervisor is usually recommended during home lab setup environment whenever you're trying to build your own home lab to learn and get your hands dirty with the vSphere product. In my home lab environment, I have deployed ESXi as a VM and it named as ESXi-05A, and that is the space which you could see that somewhere around 85 GB, and the version is basically we are having 7.0 or later. Now, because this is my base ESXi host, that is the exact reason you will be seeing many other virtual machines as well deployed as a ESXi host. But now what we will do, we'll log in directly to this particular ESXi host. So if you really see that, this is my ESXi host, ESXi-05A, and this ESXi host has installed 8.0 update 2. So we have installed ESXi 8.0 U2. And one of the thing I really want to bring your attention on this particular message. What it says that no data stores have been configured on the host. Now, if you're new to this particular environment or ESXi environment, you know that if the data stores are not there, you cannot create a VM. And let me quickly explain you the challenges if you do not have a data store configured. Let's say I'm trying to create a new VM. Let's give a name as test VM. And let's try to let's try to select some basic Windows family for our understanding. And this is the exact problem. Now it says that in this particular section, you have to select a data store for the virtual machine configuration file, all of its virtual disk. And now it says that there is no data store configured, which means we were telling again and again, no data store means no VM creation. So that's a catastrophic problem from the home lab perspective. Now, if you go to the storage, and when you see that in the storage, I only have a one local VMware disk, which means that when I was installing ESXi host, I have selected local disk which is presented to this ESXi host, and the capacity is somewhere around 80 GB, as you could see that. The other one is a CD-ROM. Let's click on this VMware disk, and now it will give you a more detailed information about it, about my disk where I have installed ESXi host. And one of the thing I always wanted to bring your attention again and again is the capacity is the 80 GB, that you have to make a note of it for now. And then there is a complete partitioning layout, as you could see that. So this is the partitioning layout of your ESXi host, basically, where we have installed our ESXi operating system. So this is our partitioning. For this of partitioning 100 MB, which is going to be your system boot partition. Then we have your boot bank partition of 4 GB, and the rest of the space is actually being used by a certain partitions, which we are going to talk about it, right? And one of the thing, if you really see that here, is there's something called VMFS and consuming somewhere around 71.9 GB space out of 80 GB. This is the complete allocation, what you could see it here. And this is really, I want to bring your attention on, because this is the key reason why we are seeing this particular error message of no data stores have been configured, because after allocating space to my bootloader or my boot bank, the rest of the space of somewhere around 71.9 GB has been consumed by a very specific partition, VMFS partition, which we also call ESX OSData partition. Now we'll go and talk about it a little bit more in detail. So now this is our ESXi host, which I wanted to show you, and this is the error message which you could see that. So now we have to fix this particular error message. So let's get back to our discussion, and let's see that first, understand why this problem is coming. Now, before we go and talk about the reason behind this particular error label, let's understand what is Datastore. That is useful for all those professionals who are still new to VMware environment. So what is Datastore? If you really see that, the virtual machine are stored in containers called Datastore, which we have already explained you while creating a VM. We have seen that, and while creating a VM, there's a one specific section where it will ask you to select your data store where the VM files can be put, and that particular container to host my virtual machine, we call it as a data store. Now data stores are nothing, these are the logical volumes, allow you to organize the storage of your ESXi host and your virtual machine. As you could see that in this particular diagram, I have two ESXi hosts, and each of the ESXi hosts we are running two virtual machines. So these virtual machine going to store in this data store, and that's where we required a data store. Now, data store also used for storing your ISO images. It is also used to store your VM templates and the other files and folders. And one of the key thing to highlight here, that if you do not have data stored, which means that you don't have infrastructure, you won't be able to do much on that ESXi host, right? Because we require a data store for holding the virtual machines, its configuration files, ISO images, VM templates. Now, let's try to understand why that particular error was coming. And if you're really been with this, if you have experience on the earlier ESXi version like 6.x or the earlier version like 5.x, you probably would not have seen this error. And there is a reason behind it. Let me explain you the reason. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to continue watch this lecture, then join our exclusive YouTube membership program only at the price of 299 rupees INR per month, and unlock your VMware potential with GoVMlab. With this membership program, you can unlock all of our members only content published on our YouTube channel. You can watch out the videos presented on your screen to know the benefits of GoVMlab subscription as well as the membership program. Thank you.